This is our Forex blog video for the week of June 23, 2017. And I like to start by going over our stats. And keep in mind, each day I'll fix trading patterns and add some new patterns. And so the ones I fixed would have been losses that are not showing up on here. And also the ones I added, would not have been there that day. I only keep one set of stats. Let me just filter these high to low. So here's Friday. You can compare this over the last 2 years of me keeping stats to see that there's more trades. The winning percentage has creeped up. Average win-loss ratio is looking good. The average win was 17 pips. The average loss was 2.5. I fixed quite a few patterns. And total pips 474. On Thursday, there were a lot of trades. 213 pips net. The average win was only 9 because there was a lot of really small wins. The average loss 4.9. Here's Wednesday, 505 pips, which is really good on a Wednesday. 15 pips average win, and only 4 pips average loss. So almost 4 times bigger wins than loss, and that's key to trading. Tuesday, 638 pips, 21 pip average win, less than 5 pip average loss. So 4 times bigger wins than losses. Sunday, Monday, 212 pips, 14 pip average win, and 4.8 pip average loss. So I'll just briefly show you some of the trades over the week. And new trades that I have added are going to show up as orange, and older trades, which also have over 55% winning, will show up as green or red. In a lot of the newer patterns, I'm going to wait a few months before I put them in there and see what the stats are over real trading in the future. You can see the euro had a small win here, 30 pip win there. Here's the pound dollar, 10 pips here, 50 pips there. Previous day, about 10 pips here, 5 pips, 5. Here's the euro yen. Pretty much ended up break even at the end here. Made about 5 or 10 pips on that one. This one here was break even. It made about 30, lost 8. Pretty much broke even there. Previous day, small loss, small loss. You got it back with this win here. Small loss, win, win. Here's the pound yen. It's about a break even there. Small 5 pip win here and about 25 pip win there. Previous day did pretty well. Small win, small win, small win. 30 or 40 pip win. 15, 20 pip win, 10 pip win. Here is the CAD yen. Bought right here at the low, made about 10 or 12 pips, made 10 pips. On this break area here, that's a new pattern, made about 10 pips. 10 pips, lost, made 20, made about 5, broke, probably lost 8 pips on that one. Here's the dollar CAD, pretty much break even or lost 5 pips there, made about 30 or 40, made about 50, probably lost 2 or 3 pips on that one. Previous day, made about 10, made about 40, made about 5. And when you don't have to take every one of these trades. You can look at the chart and see the trend. And if you want to focus on buying this uptrend, you buy here, made small money, buy here. And this went up, went sideways, went up just a little bit. Really it had no strength, went up, kind of pulled back a little bit, went up again. So when you see it going up and struggling to go up, you are more apt to take the sell signals, and they're more apt to work. Clearly this kind of ran out of steam here, and it made new lows right there. And so you would want to jump all over a sell signal when it's likely and you feel that the trend's over. Here you can see the trend's up, and it's had about a day and a half of going sideways. There's no selling at all. So clearly, maybe somewhere around here or here, you want to look for buy signals. And so when you see this, you want to take it. And it was good for 20 to 25 pips. And you can use some common sense to know whether to be taking trades or not. Here you can see it's trending up. It's kind of running out of steam, so if you wanted to take these counter trend trades, you could. They both worked. And then you have a buy breakout right here that was good for 20-25 pips, so you would take it. Here's the dollar Swiss. This one had some good trades. And again, if you zoom out by hitting the minus key, you can see this is in the downtrend. And you can always draw your trend lines on here. And as long as it's underneath the trend line, you can take sell signals, in these currencies. If it had just broken above this trend line, you might want to pass on that sell. But since this is clearly still in a downtrend, you can take it. You can also duplicate trend lines and project them from the lows. And if you get a buy signal right near the lower trend channel, you can take that trade. That's a very high probability way of trading. I'll show one more. Here's the Australian yen. And you can see it's kind of going sideways that previous day and broke out a significant amount, pull back. And so this buy signal is pretty decent. And it almost stopped you out, but never closed under the trailing stop. So you made, the total potential profit was about 18 pips, and it closed out with only 5 or 10 pips if you waited. If you see a double top like this and it really is not exploding up, it's going up slowly, you might want to just exit half your trade or even all of it up here and try to lock in as much profit as possible.